Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to change language in Instagram app in 2022. This is fairly simple to do. If you want to change the language of the whole application, you have to go here to the three striped lines here. Then what you will do is you will go to settings, and then from settings you can go to search and you can just type in language, right? So we're going to type in LA, and then we will get the language here. We can click on language, and then once we click on language, we can click on whichever language we want. We can also search for languages, for example, right? And as you can see, we have a lot of languages right here. Obviously, if I click, I will change my language. And yeah, if you click on, for example, Afrikaans here, you can click on it. And as you can see right now, our whole language is in Afrikaans, right? So for example, if you go here back, we go back to settings, obviously, and then here we type in language, right? Obviously you can't go back, right? Because you don't know that language, right? So make sure that you're always changing the language to the language that you know. So that's pretty much it. That's how to change a language in Instagram app in 2022. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to respond to your questions. Thank you guys for watching.